them. Anyway, this container, I've cut this container out. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use some polyfilla, yeah? So I'm going to pour some of that in there and got some water, yeah? These spreaders, I don't even know where I got them, maybe Pound Shop or something like that. Pretty cheap, pretty useful. You get a variety of sizes. I can't even find the small one so I can show you here it is. I think that's about the smallest one, and it goes up in size, right? So we're gonna pour some of this stuff in here now, pour some of that stuff in it, and then mix it up. So give me a second, I'll be back. Open your packet. Here it is. All right. Pour in, depends on how much of an area you're doing and how quick you work. How much, because it's gonna dry. The less water you put in it, quicker it dries, sort of thing, but the thicker it is, so you need, okay, we go with that for starters. If it's beginning to look like you've got too much water, simply add more filler to it. Now that is a bit too watery. Oh my days, I got gloves in my pocket. Oh, it's one of them days. Chuck a bit more of that in there. That's about a nice consistency. That's what you're looking for. So you do, get your filler on your knife. Okay, there you can see my wall all patchy with filler.